Yo, what's poppin', everybody? So really quick, let's do a market recap of this trade signal that I sent. I sent the buy to my signal chat. That was around, what time did we take this trade? We took this trade at 9:30 p.m. As you can see, I'm trying to get close up. I don't know if it's gonna focus. I don't know if it's bright enough in here, but I just woke back up after my nap. So about 9:30 p.m. we took this trade, and I'm gonna show y'all why we took this trade and pretty much how it happened. So overall, you can see it's a 38.2 retracement on the fib. Originally priced that came back down to a level of Confluence where you see we had some minor structure at, so we formed some support up in here, so that was great. And then from there, it was just being patient, realizing that we had pretty much a lower high point that had formed right here at this black line that I have. So as you can see, a nice level of resistance. We ended up breaking that resistance, and then we ended up forming another higher low point. So we pretty much just continued bullish structure right up in here, higher low, break a structure, break resistance, higher low point. Right up in here, you can see we had a nice strong bullish candle that happened up in there. And this is where I noticed I went down to the 30-minute time frame. And as I go down to the 30-minute time frame, what do we have? A beautiful entry confirmation right there, bullish engulfing, bullish variation actually on a 30-minute time frame. So boom, entry was there. And then as price started to push up and we started to retrace, we formed another higher low point. So right up in here is our second higher low point, which is pretty much the continuation of this bullish move. And it started to form at a level of Confluence again. Y'all already know this is the way I trade, textbook type of opportunities. You go down to the 30-minute time frame, go down to the 15-minute time frame, see exactly what you see. We could have entered off of any of these bullish confirmations, these bullish candles. As far as on the 15, on a 30-minute time frame, we could have looked at this as a bullish variation if you wanted to, and just kind of went from here. Boom, that could have been the second entry. I did not take a second entry. I had already loaded up pretty strong on the first one, but just showing you for this purpose. Also on the 1 hour, you can see a bullish engulfing. So either way it go, but lots of entry confirmations, and price end up hitting right on the head on our TP, bro. Crazy. 1 to 2 risk reward opportunities, 78 pips of risk for a reward of 172. So very smooth trade, but I just want to break this down really quick just to show you all what we're working with tonight. This was trade number 1 for the week, and it's Wednesday, so we halfway through. So regardless, if we take another trade, pretty much straight for the week. Very nice gain. But that's really it, bro. So peace and love to everybody. I hope this made sense and it was clear, and I'm out.